Find square root of this number. Right. 0.49. 49 is 7 into 7. 0.49 is 0.7 into 0.7. 0.256. 0.0036. It's a wonderful question. 0.256. 256 is 16 square. 2.56 is 1.6 square. 0.0256 is 0.16 square. But 0.256 is not naturally a perfect square. We cannot just take it a perfect square and then simplify it. And so we've got to figure a way out here. It's not 0.49 works wonderfully as 0.7 into 0.7. This might probably 196 is 14 square. 36 is 6 square. But these two don't naturally become perfect square that easily. So what am I going to do? I'm going to rejig this question. I don't want to deal with so many decimals. 0.49 by 0.000121. I'm going to write this 49 by 1.21. Multiplying by 100 on both sides. This is into 2.56 by 144. Multiplying by 10 on both sides. Into 36 by 196. Multiplying by 10,000 on both. On numerator and denominator, not both sides. Decimal moving 4 places, decimal moving 4 places. Now this is simpler. 49 is 7 square. 1.21 is 1.1 square. 2.56 is 1.6 square. 144 is 12 square. 36 is 6 square. 196 is 14 square. We can further simplify this if we cancel out a bunch of terms. I'm going to write these terms down all over again. 49 by 1.21 into 2.56 by 144 into 36 by 196. This will become 1 by 4. 36 into 4 is 144. 1 by 4. So this number, square root of 2.56 by 1.21 into 4 into 4. Brilliant. This we're going to further call it as square root of 256 by 121 into 4 into 4. 256 by 4 is 64. 64 by 4 is 16. So square root of 16 by 121, which is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. We want to find the decimal value of this. 4 divided by 11. Doesn't go, so it becomes 0 point. We add a 0 here. Goes 3 times 33. 7. Add another 0. 0.3. Goes 66. 4. So this 0.36 something, or roughly 0.36. Carve out perfect squares, cancel off what you can cancel, deal with the rest.